Hey guys, there's a new video. There's gonna be me explaining to you how and why I started using sea moss, and this first video is gonna be me showing you guys how to make your own sea moss. Hold on a second, my lighting is horrible. How to make your own sea moss to get great results. So I've been on YouTube a lot watching videos about, like, you know, sea moss, how it helps with a lot of things, and I was like, let me take a look and do it myself, because I'm trying to like gain booty but also have a snatch waist. But with the way my body is, can't really do that unless I work out, but I'm lazy, so I'm trying to like get it done the healthiest way possible without going under the knife, because I don't like surgeries like that. The only surgery I would like to do is my breast reduction, and that's it. So let's get into the video. Before I get into what I have planned for you here, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel to become my babies, and then, you know, I'll bring you guys information. So I went on Amazon and I bought myself sea moss. Okay, it's full of salt in it. It's like from the sea. The one I have is vegan, fair trade advocate. It is 100% gluten free and it's 100% organic, non-GMO. Yeah, so let me get into what sea moss does for the body before I get into everything else. So it says it helps with relief from symptoms of cough and sore. It increased energy and nutrition. It strengthened the immune system, which I need. We all need right now with the coronavirus going on. We're knowing that. And it increased thyroid health. It soothes your digestive system so that you don't have a problem down there. Because for me, I've been taking macroroot. I think that's one of the side effects of macroroot for me is like I fart like 24/7, like nobody's business. So hopefully when I start taking this, I start farting. I just stop farting so much. It has straightening the bone, the joints, and to connect the tissues between your joints. It helps with skin health. It helps with disease recovery. So if you have any disease, it will help you recover it. Sea moss also has 92 minerals that our body has. Our body has 112 minerals, I think, and then sea moss contains 12 of them. So that's a good thing. From everything I've tried, sea moss, from the look of it, is like the best thing I will be trying so far. What else did it say about sea moss? Hold on, I'll give you guys everything. One of the benefits again with sea moss, it helps you to lose weight loss, which is one of the reasons why I'm trying to start sea moss. And it helps with eczema, acne, burns, and rashes. Support the skin. It helps with vaginal health, and it helps with mucus dissolver. So if you have, like me, I don't have a cold, but I have mucus in my throat, like keeps going on my nose. I keep, you know, having boogers, so I'm tired of that. So by taking sea moss, it will help you dissolve these. And I also heard this woman had this problem with her ovaries that caused them by mucus, and she took sea moss and it helped her. So if you want to do more research on certain things that is going on with you and you're wondering if sea moss will help you with those, go ahead and do that. Probably is gonna anyways. It also is an anti-aging agent. Yeah, but the reason why I'm taking this thing mostly because I already have things that helps with, like, you know, my skin. I'm doing this because I'm tired of having a very fat chin and my stomach and my arms. I'm trying to lose all that. Okay, I'm trying to be snatched. So in the next few clips, you're gonna see me making sea moss gel. I already have mine made today. I didn't start. I'm not gonna start. I'm gonna do another video of when I do start the sea moss by itself. I'm gonna do 30 days. So I'm not starting today, I'm starting tomorrow. You get another video of me doing that tomorrow. No, in this video I'll be starting sea moss today, and then in 30 days I'll give you guys results. This is what mine looks like. That thing looks stuck. Like, hold on, it looks stuck. It smells like lime or lemon, whatever the green one is. I'm afraid to eat it by itself because I've seen some people who did it. It looks disgusting, and they say it tastes disgusting. It doesn't have any taste to it, but like disgusting. So I'm gonna be drinking that with like tea in the morning, or with juice or something that's more healthy, nothing sugary, but something that helps with the taste of it. So yeah, so keep on watching to see how you can make your own sea moss gelatin. And also I forgot to show you guys what it looks like out of the bag. When it first comes, it has all these sea salt on it, and it's very hard. It looks like dry noodles, to be honest. And then when you put it in water, it kind of just dissolves. Like the sea salt gets away from it. And then I don't know if it is because I put it in hot water, but it started become gelatin in the hot water, so I got scared. Typically people put it in the hot in the water for 5 hours to let it dissolve, to really make it, you know, fluffy and big. But mine, I don't know if it's because I put hot water and then lime in it. It become very slippery really fast. I had to put mine for 5 hours, but I ended up taking it like an hour later out and blend it, and it seems to be working for me. So just keep on watching. I love you, babies. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that bell so you know when I upload more. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Bye. Hey guys, right here I'm gonna be taking the sea moss and then put it in the water to take the dirt out. I only used half of the pack because I didn't wanna use it wrong. That's what I basically did, and I put that away, and I'm basically washing it out. The water was so dirty, and I was like, what the heck? And then the sea moss were together, were like all stuck, clumped together. And I took a second plate to take the sea moss and basically drain it out and wash what's going on with the sea moss, because I don't know, you just have to wash it a couple of times so the water runs clear, and then you can stop doing everything else. We have a new set of water. I put them in there and basically clean them again because the first clean was not good enough. So basically I'm here cleaning it again and literally examining to put everything that's dirty out of the sea moss and let it do what it do, because this is my first time doing it. So I'm over here ripping them apart because they were really thick, and I watched some videos. They said that to rip them apart because not too thick is not good for a blender. It's not gonna do what you need them to do. So I'm over here washing them again and about to take them out to drain them again. And in the water, I didn't have lemon. I did, but like I forgot I did, so I put vinegar in there to take away the smell, every nasty gunk that's in there, basically trying to do that. And that's what I did right here. I got myself a lemon or lime, however you call that, and I start cutting, and I cut them in piece in 4 so you can have this. I don't know why I did that, but I did that. And then I'm gonna put them in the water, and it looks so pretty when it's like washed. I don't know, it looks cute to me. It looks like pasta, like wet pasta. But let's get back to the subject. I put the lemons in there and I start squeezing it, so that's what I see people do. And some people put like vanilla or whatever in it, but I just wanted to do that because I don't want to have any taste to it, because when I put it in other things I want to have, like, you know, no taste. So I literally put that in there and basically gonna let it to soak for like 5 hours. But I ended up leaving there for only an hour because the hot water I put in there plus the lime cut to start becoming gelatin in my hands. You can see me looking at my hands like what the heck was going on, because I became so slippery excuse me, and weird. So that's why I took it off earlier. And right here, this is it, letting it soak, but I end up taking it out earlier. That's why it's looking all soggy and weird. Next time, you're gonna just see me put in the blender and blend it. So I'm not gonna be talking throughout the whole video. I'm just gonna let you guys watch. Yeah, bye. As you guys can see, I had to take some out and start cutting them, chopping them up with a knife, because they were not the blender didn't have enough blades to cut it off, so I had to do that by hand and then put it in the blender because it was getting stuck and not blending the way it needs to. So I ended up chopping them off, and then that's what you're gonna see me do over here. I'm gonna be putting that in the refrigerator to let it sit. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.